contrarian.
Your time.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Orbs.
Die, you son of a bitch!
Orb.
Die, you son of a bitch!
Orbson.
Die, you son of a bitch!
Orb and 5.
Die, you son of a bitch!
Move in after this orb. Orb soon. And
I'll get them.
I'm gonna go through the
Die, you son of a bitch!
positioned melee. Watch out.
Die, you son of a bitch!
Orb and 5.
Die, you son of a bitch!
Taking hits.
I'm orb.
I'm coming to you.
Orb 5.
You're right there, Booker. Ignore
Die,
next stab.
you son of a
Oh, we need to
bitch!
knock. They're ready though.
Oh, yeah, she's in 1. Let me do it. I got it.
Orbson. I can't get Elicity.
I got him.
Care for orb.
You guys are getting a little too close over here. If an orb went down on either of you, then start to get in trouble. Oh, you are.
Die, you son of a bitch!
Those kicks. A lot more damage on this ad.
Die, you son of a bitch!
Head over, head over. Coming. Red rover, red rover. I get a grip.
Die, you son of a bitch!
2. Be a shear soon. Damage on this ad.
Die, you son of a bitch!
And start spreading out. Everyone still hits it. Yeah, I'm gonna be taking him in a moment. I'm gonna collect some orbs over here.
Sphere and 5. Everything weapon?
Then-
More wind up.
Die, you son of a bitch!
Care for orbs.
Here, can you rally? Yep.
Die, you son of a bitch!
Grab me.
Got him.
DK.
Orbson.
Die,
This ad
you
down,
son
please.
of
I don't
a
want
bitch.
another void echoes.
Nice.
Thanks, Rowan. Orbson.
Die, you son of a bitch!
Orb. And then living weapon.
Got my orb stolen.
Die, you son of a bitch!
Drinking.
Die, you son of a bitch!
Orb in 5.
Die, you son of a bitch!
2 orbs behind you.
Couldn't me? The boss.
Orb.
Die, you son of a bitch!
Orb and ignore.
You might not even get it. Keep it up. Good. That's really nice.
Still a lot of good orb.
Move. Tons and tox if you need them. We're taking a lot of heat right now. Big damage on the sab.
Die, you
Let's
son
second
of
pot
a
this one.
bitch.
Second pot this one. Let's go. Bit down for this next beam. Doesn't do anything. They don't get gripped. Can we code him?
Die, you son of a bitch!
Go ahead and start moving over. Get code up.
Got it.
I have an intro for that, I'm sorry.
Ah, it's gonna hurt. Oof.
I'll trank for this next one.
Die, you son of a bitch!
Trank's rolling.
Die, you son of a bitch!
Finish this guy up.
Finish this guy off.
Orb, orb.
Spear in 5. Get in for weapon. Hero when it comes out.
Alright, go ahead and hero.
Die, you son of a bitch!
The beam. Use basically very liberally.
Die, you son of a bitch!
I'm rooted.
Oh, sorry. I could knock him out, please.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
now.
Yeah.
That needs to
Knock
go.
me out
Spear in 5.
Die, you son of a bitch!
We'll have to kill number 2.
Knock him out, please.
Orbs are spawning. I'll be there in a moment, Zisia. Collecting
You just
your
want me
orb.
to hold until I die, or what?
I'm gonna try to collect. Fucking.
Die, you
I'm
son
in
of a
orb.
bitch!
You have P-Sub and TA available.
Are we killing this one?
Yes, kill this one. Yes, kill this one.
Okay. Orb and then get in. Orb first. Orb.
I need to be pulled out, guys. I'm still in an orb. It's just buggy.
You're untargetable.
Oh, good. Well,
Die, you son of a
Everything
bitch!
on the
actually,
living
no,
weapon.
don't hit the ad. Don't hit the ad. Go boss. Go boss. Go boss. Go boss.
Die, you son of a
I
bitch!
guess cocoon. Never mind. Sorry, that's my bad.
Everything you got to stay alive here.
Die, you son of a bitch!
Everything you got. Watch out for the orb. Don't get him out.
I'm going down.
Everything you got. Go, 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 go!
Die, you
Oh my
son of a
goodness.
bitch!
Nice!
That's what I like to hear. Holy shit.
That's what I
Please
like,
clip
Sean.
that.